My name's Laurie Hayn. Me and Dale have been farming together since 1983 when we got married. Before that, my grandpa farmed. So I kind of grew up doing hay and different things. We farm quite a bit. We do about 2/3 of corn and 1/3 of soybeans. On September 18th of 2018, on the second day of harvest, unfortunately, I got in front of the combine, got swept up into it, and lost my left arm and my whole leg.
We saw Laurie's accident in the newspaper. We sent materials to Farm Bureau to pass along and included AgrAbility materials and also vocational rehabilitation.
While I was in the hospital, they stepped up right to me and said, we need to get you signed up for vocational rehab. It took me a year before I actually started. I didn't understand what all they did. I realized they will help you with home modifications, the farming. So then I signed back up.
After a period of time, vocational rehabilitation contacted me and said, we have Laurie Hayn and we need a farm assessment to do.
So Steve came out from AgrAbility to look at the tractor. We found out all the finger controls were on the right. I didn't need anything as far as driver's assistance. I just needed help getting in. With
the assistance of Life Essentials, we came with the platform lift. Now they can't keep her down. Clients think that AgrAbility is going to buy the equipment for them. By grant, we can't do that, which is why we work with vocational rehabilitation so much. They are our main funding source, and so we refer and help find the funding to do it.
Vocational rehabilitation is a state program, and our goal is to assist people who have disabilities to prepare for, obtain, and maintain employment.
The fun part of this job is to see somebody like Laurie get to do what they want to do.
The future holds a lot for me. I still hike, we still travel. I managed to do two caves on this last vacation. I still like to cook and bake a lot. That was always a big part of my life growing up. People are always shocked when they find out. They're baffled by how I can still roll out pie dough. I don't buy pie dough, I make my pie dough.
I can't help but sometimes be inspired by people. Being able to see people do what they want to do does have an impact on them and has an impact on people in the community.
I literally tell everybody, call vocational rehab and farmers AgrAbility. They're amazing at helping you get back going again. They go through the stuff that you want to do and how you can do it, how they can help you do it easier. Definitely reach out to AgrAbility.